Okay, let's test the X-axis on an Eclipse mat cutter. So we're gonna use the smart terminal, and we're gonna double click on that, and it's gonna bring this up, and then we're gonna go to tools, and we're gonna display data record. Okay, so we're going to type in this window, and if it complains to us or gives us any feedback, it's going to come in this window. This window's for writing a program. So we got to have our caps locks on our keyboard, so that needs to be on. The first thing we need to do is we need to turn the power to the drives, the servo drives or the stepper drives on. Some machines require this, some machines don't. All machines issue this command. So it's S as in Sam, B as in boy, space, and a number 3. Or you could say set bit 3. And when we do that, it turns this bit on over here. The one above it needs to be clear to make sure your air is on. The one below it needs to be on, blue. Okay? So now I need to turn the X motor on. So I will do S as in Sam, H as in Harry, or that's short for servo hold X. And when I hit servo hold X, the machine will make noise, and it locks the X motor so I can't move it left or right, and the motor makes that feedback noise. And when I'm doing that, you'll see the numbers change over here in the X axis. I'm trying to force an error, and it's trying to fix it. That's what the noise is all about. Okay, so let's clear this number. So we'll hit DP for define position, and 10 will do it, and that cleared the X side of things. All right, so now we're going to make it move. So to make it move, we're going to say go relative from where we are. So P is in position, R is in relative, X is who we're going to talk to, and how far do we want them to go. Let's make it 8,000 this time, just for fun. We got room. And that just loaded the instruction into the motion controller. And now with this command, BGX, or begin X, it's going to do it when I press the enter key. And so we'll focus over here, and we'll see it go over 8,000 counts, or it looks like about 2 inches. Okay, now if we want to make it come back to the home switch, we can type in find edge X, and when I press enter, it's just going to be like the PR command before it. It's just going to put the instruction into memory, and then when I tell it to do it, I'm going to say BGX, and I'm going to hit enter, and the arm will come back over to the edge, and it found the home switch in the back that we looked at in another video, and it stopped. And that home switch is clear right here, state of home switch, X axis. It is clear because we were sitting on it right now. Okay, so that's how we test the X axis. Now how do we shut it off? We do MOX. We don't have to do anything with a brake on the X axis like the Y axis, so it's simple. MOX, and we turn the motor off, and now I can move the arm by hand. Okay, and I want to turn the power off to the drives, so clear bit 3 and then enter, and that cleared that bit right there. So we have no outputs on, so we've turned everything off. So now we can shut everything down. So I can close the data record, and I can close this, and now we're all done, and we can turn the machine off and go home.